Even more bullish news for Shiba Inu and Bone holders. Shiba achieves new milestone and beats Ethereum, Dogecoin, and other altcoins in popularity in America. And this is really huge news for Shiba Army, for people who were supporting Shiba for a long time, for Shiba holders, and of course for everyone waiting for Shibarium, which is coming really soon. We're gonna talk about it on this channel a lot, so subscribe. So let's check out what happened over past few days with Shiba and why the price is pumping and why I'm so excited. So this article came out yesterday, and let's check out a few of the key points and what's happening in the markets with Shiba. So the first one, Bitcoin is still number one, but Shiba is coming for it. Next up, Doge only ranked third on the list because Shiba actually took over Doge, and Doge has all the speculation and rumors from Elon Musk and X.com, and Shiba still passed it, which is extremely bullish for Shiba. And overall, Shiba cryptocurrency, not as meme coin, but like an ecosystem, as payment method. And I believe Shiba could also be added to X.com and Twitter ecosystem as payment method next to Doge. Next up, Ethereum trailed behind Dogecoin with around 238,000 monthly searches. And most of the crypto investors still think Ethereum is a safe bet, safe crypto. And I believe this pump and hype for Shiba is not over. I believe we are just getting started, because in the next few weeks, we're going to be seeing Shibarium launch. Then we're going to see lots of different projects, apps, metaverses, and all of this stuff, of course, going to generate buzz, hype, and of course add more users, more money to Shiba and Shibarium ecosystem. I think we're still early for Shiba and Shibarium and Bone, but guys, don't wait too long before it's too late. And let's check out some of the numbers. So while Bitcoin recorded almost 2 million monthly search volume, Shiba saw a monthly search volume of 484,000, so 500,000. So Shiba is still not at the Bitcoin level, but of course Bitcoin is so mainstream, everyone knows about it. Even your grandparents and parents know about Bitcoin. So this is a bit different game, but you can see Shiba is almost there, and it's coming for actually Bitcoin, which is really crazy, and speaks a lot about the hype and also how strong was Shiba's marketing team to generate all this buzz for Shibarium and all the tokens surrounding this ecosystem. So to me, Shiba looks extremely bullish. And guys, of course, I want to hear your price predictions for Shiba after the Shibarium launch. Leave it in the comments and join my free Telegram group, and let's discuss the future for Shiba.